Apple's iPhone 12 mini is a triumph, with top-end tech and a premium design combining to produce a phone that can compete with some of the very best handsets on the market, and all in a smaller body that you'd expect from a flagship device. This is essentially the iPhone 12 reprised, but in a smaller form factor that will suit those looking for a more compact phone than top-end manufacturers, including Apple, have been able to offer for the past few years. This is the smallest iPhone since the iPhone 5S, and you'll notice it as soon as you pick it up. Even comparing this phone to the iPhone 8 makes it feel small, but it doesn't lose any of that premium edge we found with the iPhone 12. You will get a slightly improved experience by using the iPhone 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max with their more powerful engines, bigger batteries, and a variety of other tweaks, but if you're after a small iPhone, you no longer have to worry about missing out on the best features. The 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display is pin sharp, and it's markedly better than the LCD display on the iPhone 11. You'll particularly see the improvements when watching video with its HDR certification. Aside from its size, the iPhone 12 mini also has a premium design with a variety of 5 colours, black, white, red, green or blue to choose from, a protected glass design and flat aluminum edges that will pull your mind back to the days of the iPhone 4 as soon as you first handle it. It may feel like an iPhone for the nostalgists, but it's anything but when it comes to spec. The latest A14 Bionic chipset powers this device. We found it to work nearly flawlessly for whatever you threw at the phone, and you've also got a top-end camera with two 12-megapixel rear sensors that perform just as well as the iPhone 12. Then there's the addition of 5G, the next-gen connectivity technology that allows you to experience faster speeds and easier connection when using mobile data. This is good future-proofing technology, but at launch 5G is difficult to find and access for many, meaning it won't change your experience with your phone right away. MagSafe, Apple's new magnet hidden in the rear casing of the iPhone 12 range, helps you connect with other elements like cases, your wireless charger and other devices with a simple click on the rear of the phone. The iPhone 12 mini isn't without its frustrations, as the battery life isn't as powerful as some may hope for, and 64GB of storage doesn't feel like enough for a phone in 2020. That said, these are minor elements that many who like Apple's choices will be able to handle. The iPhone 12 mini is built for those who have been desperate for a small device that doesn't take up an entire pocket, and if you're after a top-end iPhone, you won't be disappointed by what this can do. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. Is it too big? Is it too small? Would you prefer the phone that's the size of your head? Well, maybe not that, but the iPhone 12 mini might be the phone for you. We want to hear about it. We want to see exactly what you think. As ever, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. We put loads of great tech news and reviews on YouTube, and we want you to see all of it as soon as it happens, which means you need to hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time.